This is Magracing's Nissan R89 sports car, which is powered by a rechargeable lithium CR123, which you can see there, and the transmitter controller is also powered by lithium, a slightly smaller one. That's the AAA. We're driving the Linford circuit now. Each corner has a racing line. Not taking it at the moment, I'm not steering at the moment. The car's just driving around like a slot car. Each corner has a racing line. If you want to put in the fastest lap or the fast route around the track, you have to use the racing line. I'm driving around now using the racing line. We turn left, coming down the straight now, and we turn left. Left again to cut the corner, turn right, down the outside of the main straight, turn right at the end, turn right again, left to cut the corner, left to change lanes, right, turn right across the road, left, left, left. At this point in the track you have three choices at the lane change here. You can either turn in and follow the racing line, you take the default and run wide, or you turn left and go into the pits. This end of the track you turn right to take the racing line here, right again to cross the track, and then left to take the racing line through the hairpin, left again to get across the road to take the hairpin at the end. Back down the straight, right, left, left again, and right. Back down the straight, right, right, left, left, right.